Frying hamburger meat, you definitely need some seasonings. Cajun seasoning and that Lawrys. Okay, get your Velveeta. You're gonna use half of that. And get you some sour cream. Okay? And you're gonna chop that up so it'll melt quicker. Get you a good old dollop of sour cream and add off in there, honey. Cause I'm trying to tell you. Listen, okay? Period. Stir it up. Then you can get you some provolone, honey, and mozzarella. Yeah. Surgeon to the best though. Anyway, stir that up, baby. Ooh, gooey. So I need you to put them tomatoes in there, baby. Listen to me now. That cheddar cheese on top, baby. Gotta be sharp though. And I'm gonna need you to mix that cheese before you bake it. Period, baby. Because y'all know the queen comes to slay, not play. Bitch, talk to me motherfucking nice so you won't have to ask me twice. Period. I ain't doing no playing. Y'all already see what time it is. Now what I'm finna do is plate this shit up and we finna get down to business. Cause what your mama didn't teach you, baby, I will. Pay attention, baby. I got you.